Hey guys, Dave here, and today we're going to talk about the Contour DSB and show you how to set it up. If you haven't already seen the Contour DSB in action, then I recommend you check out the video here. This is a dustless sanding block system that allows you to remove up to 95% of the dust or filler you're working with to keep it off your clothes and in the vacuum. We recently completed a Dotson project, and you can see the immense difference between the traditional foam block and our Contour DSB system. It's a night and day difference. There's a ton of great features of this system, and if you want more information, check out the link in the description or some of our other videos. For now, I want to talk about how to set it up. The first thing you need to do is pick out a block. The kit comes with an 11-inch block, but maybe you picked up the 5-inch or the 16-inch. Choose the sandpaper and line up the holes on the sandpaper with the holes on the block. Next, we can grab the vacuum and start setting up the hose. Grab your vacuum and determine which size vacuum hose it is. If you have a 1.25-inch, then connect it directly to the primary adapter regulator. If you're using a 1.75-inch hose, then use the included vacuum hose adapter as well. Next, grab your included tubing. There's a short piece of hose, followed by a flow meter, and then another long piece of hose. The short piece should plug right into the primary adapter regulator. Now you can go ahead and plug the long piece of hose into the sanding block with the flow meter connecting those two hoses. Before we start sanding, we need to make some adjustments on the flow meter and the regulator. The flow meter generally stays in the same position for most of your lower grits. From 80 to 220 grit, you can keep the flow meter completely open. Once you get to 320 grit, you should start restricting the airflow. Once your flow meter is at the right setting, you can move down to the regulator. The more closed the regulator is, the more vacuum you'll get and the harder it will suck. As you move to the finer grits, you should open the regulator to decrease the amount of vacuum that the block is getting. What you are doing when you adjust these is preventing the block from sticking to the panel. If you had too much vacuum when sanding with like 420 grit, then the block would start sticking to the panel and you just have a hard time moving it. Now you can go ahead and start sanding on your project. For more information on the Contour DSB system, check out our other videos on our channel, or you can always click the link in the description and head over to eastwood.com.